you, now where do you go? Hey you should let it flow. I do think you care. Do you hear my prayer? Hey you, I'm with you. I see you, I hear you. Hey you, I'm with you. I miss you, I miss you. Hey you, see I told you so. Hey you, I'm ready to go. Hey you, now you better show. Hey you, no time to be slow. I do think you hear. There's nothing to fear. Hey you, I'm with you. I see you, I hear you. Hey you, I'm with you. I miss you. In the silence of my pain, you were there to shake some noise. When I cried, when I complained, you were there to bring me joy. Well, at least you tried, well, at least you shared. I'm with you for the ride, I'm just unprepared. We've come a long way, see how much we've grown. Let's make the best of today, despite the unknown. Please come with me, you can open the door. Now we are free, I'm ready for more. Hey you, I'm with you. I feel you, I need you. Hey you, I'm with you.
Ganda ng
Ang
interior.
ganda ng interior.
Tibay. Tara, sana na. Takadang.
O, paano So, ano na ang next natin? FJ.
Pati yan yung front at back.
Oh
my God.
Yan, wala na. Nice.
2.5 million guys. BYD na Toyota FJ Cruiser. Mura na siya for ano.
Bukas mo yung likod. Ang ganda. Ang lawak. Yan o, yan yung sinasabi ko. Sobrang lawak ng storage. Diba? Ready. Lahat ng cargo mo kasha.
May assist. May camera. Sa loob, upo. Picture muna. Diyan ka na, lapit ka.
Ang cute na yung itsura cherry. Yung pagka-red niya. Cute na cute. Yan talaga yung cherry.
Hingi ka ng ano, price at saka ano.
Me?
Grabe yung bus at tractor guys. EV na din. 100% coach EV. Kasi ito EST tractor head EV. Tractor head EV guys. Yung nagbubuhat ng ano, container. Grabe. Parang laging may bago. Every time ano. Yung mga 11, 13 seaters din. 2.6 million for a van. Grabe.
Hanap lang ako basurahan. Ano ka natin mga mayayaman natin? Hindi mo kinayan.
Ay, okay lang.
Okay lang. Mas okay yan.
Ano, sound yung
Maingay.
dum sa tenga.
Nawakan ko nga yung phone ko para malalaglag eh.